My name is Elizabeth. Here's the prompt. He sat in a soggy body, rain, darkening his faded hat. Traffic rumbled aside on the freeway, newspapers and plastic bags. Wet. He'd done it again. No one really knows where to start looking. How could we have lost the 37th President of the United States of America? Oh, yeah, sure. He's gone off his nut. Can't whisper sweet nothings in Nancy's ear anymore. But this disappearing thing, this wandering off thing, good God. What if they find him with that old ratty hat and all those plastic bags he keeps stuffing down his pants? Yeah, you two. And now it's starting to rain.